Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 4,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, blind spot sensor, and much more. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.